Humanity's understanding of the world around it has undergone drastic changes with new discoveries and scientific advancements. However, few events have generated as much excitement and controversy as the recent find at an excavation site. What was supposed to be a routine search for dinosaur remains quickly took an unexpected turn, leading to the discovery of skeletal structures that challenge everything we know about evolution and history. These bones possessed a unique combination of human and dinosaur traits, raising questions about our understanding of life on Earth. So let's explore this astonishing find together. We will also discuss its broader implications for how we view human origins and the mysteries still unraveled in our quest to understand the past. Now imagine standing at a remote excavation site amidst rugged terrain and rolling hills. You are part of a team of scientists eager to unearth dinosaur fossils. The site is located in an area known for rich fossil deposits, and your team is hopeful of making an important discovery. However, what you are about to unearth will transcend your wildest expectations. Your initial finds are consistent with what you expected, dinosaur bones and impressions. But then something catches your eye, a bone that seems to have a unique shape, almost as if it were a puzzle piece that doesn't quite fit. Intrigued and slightly skeptical, you carefully excavate further, every crack and crevice revealing more of the skeleton. As the excavation proceeds, it becomes clear that this is no ordinary fossil. It exhibits characteristics of both humans and dinosaurs, seemingly bridging the gap between two entirely different species. At first, you are baffled. How can this be possible? Dinosaurs went extinct millions of years before the earliest human ancestors appeared. Yet here is evidence of a creature that blends the features of both. As you continue to unearth more of this mysterious skeleton, you begin to recognize patterns. Other bones tell similar stories, each fragment revealing more about this enigmatic hybrid. You uncover skulls with human-like cranial cavities suggesting intelligence and dinosaurs, elongated spines running down their backs. You also notice unusual structures in their hands, which resemble the claws of a dinosaur while also showing signs of dexterity. Could this be a remnant of an advanced civilization lost to time? This incredible scenario is not the stuff of science fiction, but rather an intriguing possibility raised by recent discoveries at mysterious excavation sites. While mainstream science remains largely skeptical, a group of pioneering researchers is poring over evidence that challenges the very fabric of our understanding of evolution and human history. The dinosaur enigma. To fully grasp the significance of this discovery, it helps to take a closer look at the fascinating world of dinosaurs. Dinosaurs were a group of reptilian animals that flourished on Earth for over 165 million years. They dominated both terrestrial and marine ecosystems and showed an astonishing array of adaptations. From the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex, the swift Velociraptor, and the enormous Brachiosaurus, dinosaurs captivated our imagination and left an enduring legacy. Despite their widespread appeal, there is still much about them that remains unexplained. One of the biggest gaps in our knowledge concerns their demise. According to geological evidence, around 65 million years ago, a catastrophic event occurred that led to the extinction of not just dinosaurs, but also many other species. The leading theory attributes this mass extinction to an asteroid impact, which scientists believe had devastating global consequences. However, in recent years, some experts have questioned this dominant narrative. They hypothesize that other factors may have contributed to the fall of the dinosaurs, such as gradual climate change or volcanic activity. These alternative theories offer intriguing perspectives on this pivotal moment in Earth's history, encouraging scientists to keep exploring and questioning established ideas. The dawn of humanity. On the other side of the evolutionary timeline stands the emergence of modern humans. Homo sapiens, our species, evolved in Africa and gradually spread throughout the globe. We developed complex languages, advanced tools, and a capacity for abstract thought that enabled us to create art, build societies, and ultimately transform the planet. Despite our achievements, we are also a relatively recent phenomenon on the geological time scale. Our earliest ancestors appeared only about 6 million years ago, and it was another 280,000 years before Homo sapiens emerged. Throughout our journey, we have faced numerous challenges, including competition with other early human species and harsh environmental shifts. Yet we have shown remarkable resilience and adaptability, allowing us to become the most successful and widespread species on Earth. The coexistence conundrum. When considering the vast time span between the age of dinosaurs and the rise of modern humans, a perplexing question arises. How can it be that dinosaurs and humans coexisted? Wouldn't there have to be a significant overlap in their time frames for such a hybridization to occur? To delve deeper into this intriguing query, let's examine some archaeological findings that may shed light on this enigmatic period. Recent excavations have uncovered artifacts that seemingly bridge the temporal divide. Distinctive stone structures bearing both dinosaur and human-like motifs have been found. These architectural marvels suggest a sophisticated understanding of engineering and design, challenging the notion that such complexity emerged only with modern humans. Additionally, intricate carvings depicting hybrid creatures have been unearthed. These works of art blur the lines between human and dinosaur, indicating a culture that may have interacted with or even worshipped such creatures. Furthermore, some researchers point to ancient oral traditions and myths that narrate encounters between humans and dinosaur-like beings. These narratives, passed down through generations, could preserve fragments of a distant past, offering glimpses into a world where humans and dinosaurs shared the Earth. The genetic puzzle. The idea that humans and dinosaurs could have interbred may initially sound far-fetched. However, when we consider the realm of genetics, it becomes more plausible. Through genetic engineering and cloning, modern science has demonstrated the ability to manipulate life forms in ways that once seemed impossible. Therefore, it is not beyond the realm of possibility that ancient civilizations may have explored the boundaries of genetic manipulation. If a civilization with advanced scientific knowledge existed during the dinosaur era, it is conceivable that they may have experimentally altered genetic material. The result could have been offspring that displayed traits of both species. This notion aligns with certain genetic studies that have revealed similarities between human and animal DNA, suggesting that the boundaries between species may be more fluid than we realize. The towering enigma. As explorations continue at these mysterious sites, archaeologists are uncovering structures that defy conventional understanding. Towering stone pillars adorned with intricate carvings are among the most puzzling discoveries. These imposing structures bear striking resemblance to ancient monumental sites around the world, such as Stonehenge and the pyramids of Giza. Their construction points to a high level of organization, ingenuity, and cooperation among those who erected them. Some experts propose that these pillars may have served as observatories used to track celestial bodies and predict astronomical events. Others suggest they had ritual or ceremonial purposes, marking sacred spaces or commemorating important events. The presence of dinosaur motifs on these pillars further enhances their enigmatic nature, raising questions about the relationship between ancient civilizations, dinosaurs, and the cosmos. Echoes in ancient lore, adding another layer of intrigue to this astonishing find. There are parallels between these hybrid creatures and figures found in ancient texts and artwork. Across diverse cultures, there are recurring themes of serpent-like deities or dragon-like creatures that seemingly occupy a realm between the spiritual and the physical. These mythological accounts could potentially be interpreted as echoes of a distant past, preserving fragments of a time when humans interacted with dinosaurs. Exploring these connections allows us to gain a broader perspective, recognizing that our understanding of history is often fragmented and subject to interpretation. By examining both archaeological evidence and ancient narratives, we can piece together a more comprehensive picture of the world in which we live. Unraveling the tapestry. The existence of a human-dinosaur hybrid civilization, while still highly speculative, presents us with profound questions about the course of life on Earth. If such a civilization did flourish, it forces us to reevaluate our understanding of evolution and adaptation. It poses questions about why they vanished without a trace and what became of their genetic heritage, recognizing that they may hold fragments of historical truth. As science advances and more excavations are undertaken, we may unearth additional clues that help us unravel this intriguing tapestry. It is a testament to human curiosity and our unwavering desire to understand the mysteries that surround us. whether or not definitive proof of a dinosaur hybrid civilization is found. The quest itself expands our horizons and reminds us of the boundless potential of our explorations. Final thoughts. In conclusion, the discovery of possible human-dinosaur hybrids has captivated our imagination and sparked intense debate. While conventional science remains skeptical, the evidence emerging from remote excavation sites challenges us to rethink the boundaries of evolution and human history. As we contemplate the enigma of dinosaur fossils exhibiting human traits, we are forced to confront the limits of our current understanding. The unearthing of such hybrid skeletons raises fundamental questions about the timeline of life on Earth and the potential for genetic manipulation in the distant past. Moreover, the discovery of dinosaur motifs in ancient cave paintings and oral traditions points to a broader cultural context surrounding these enigmatic creatures. It encourages us to appreciate the diversity of human experience and the rich tapestry of our collective history. By continuing to explore these astonishing finds with an open mind, we may unlock secrets that have been hidden for millennia. The line between myth and reality may be thinner than we imagine, and the boundaries of scientific understanding are always subject to revision. As we gaze upon the towering stones and intricate carvings left behind by our ancestors, we are reminded of the enduring allure of the past. The mysteries that await us in the depths of time have the power to expand our horizons and illuminate the extraordinary journey